Hey guys, I hope you're having a really great Thanksgiving. And I wanted to make this video because I saw it going around in the beauty community. Give it up to the beauty community again. I have such a crush on you. You guys make dope videos. It's where your boyfriend voices over your makeup tutorial. And so I just wanted to do it because it looked like fun. Here we go. My boyfriend is going to voice this over. Please don't listen to anything that he says. It's all garbage. It's all lies and garbage. Alright.
Hey guys, welcome to my tutorial. I gotta put my hair up because it's in my way right now, but I'm gonna do my makeup for you guys that's broken. My makeup is really easy. I do it every day, and this is how I do it. So basically I start with putting foundation on my face, this foundation. Sometimes it doesn't get out of the bottle, so you have to shake it. It's frustrating. And this is my ball of foam. And you can eat the ball of foam when you're done, which is a great little thing. There's no calories, so it's good. So I'm just putting foundation everywhere, so it's like a blank piece of paper with a ton of makeup on it. And then there's this, which is it's a little bit of foundation. Oh, it's for my eyes. It's eye foundation. This works if you like put it directly in your eye for enhanced night vision. This is NYX, and it's blurry, but okay, so that's this is okay. So I'm drawing into my eyebrows right now. See, the thing about this is I prefer like a Sharpie, but we were out of Sharpies, so I used makeup, and I'm drawing in my eyebrows, which seems to be working pretty well. Yeah, no, it's actually working kind of badly. I wish it would work better. It looks kind of weird. I'm not happy with it. I'm a little upset. I need to get my eyebrows done or just gone. There's a dog behind me. I don't know what he's looking at. So yeah, I'm still doing the eyebrow thing. I think it's working. I kind of wish it would just be done. Okay, here we go. Now we're done. All right. So, oh no, it's just darker on the eyebrows. Are we done with the eyebrows yet? Oh, so now we're like shaping the eyebrows. We're using the negative space. This is art, people. Okay. So what I like to do is I like to really get up in. I'm done. I don't know. I'm done. Okay, so we got really bright colored, and then we're doing this on top of my eyes. And I think this is a really good thing because it accentuates my makeup when I put this on. And now I'm going for a darker shade in the back of my eyeball because I like to see behind me. You know when they always say, does that person have the eyes in the back of their head? Well, yes, I do. I have eyes on the back of my head. And now I'm putting makeup on the back of my eyeballs in my head. All right, so I'm doing the underneath part, which is getting dangerously close to my eyeballs, and I'm getting crazy high just watching it. Okay, so now we're going to the other eye. This is really great if you want to see the exact crease of your eyeball. And you want, yeah, so, that was in my eyeball. Okay, so now we are doing eyeliner. If you were a really bad kid and you always drew on tablecloths as a kid, you're going to be good at this. So I'm good at this. I can draw really well. I have a lot of practice. But see here, we're going to draw a little pointy thing towards the end because we are a cat. Rawr. And we're going to go upwards. Some days I feel really upset, so I go downwards. You do not want to see me do makeup on those days. So we have a little kitten eye, and now I hate this part. Oh my god, so we're drawing into the waterline of our eyeball. We are literally making up our eyeball. Okay, so this is easily the worst thing ever in the world. Okay, so we're done. Okay, now we're just, we have fake lashes. Nothing is focusing. Okay, it's everlasting, which means if you put this lash on once, you will never forget how bad that lash was. It's everlasting how bad it is, or it's good. I don't know. So I like to draw on the lashes because they come in a light tone, but I like to make them darker. So I like to draw and then shake them around spiritually, like you just saw. Okay, now I'm gonna magically assume them onto my body. There's a magnetic force in fake lashes that bind to the human face, and see, I'm darkening it again. Oh, I got some on my hands. See, look how messy I am. Oh, I'm so quirky. Look, it's all coming together. It's like, this is beautiful. I want to kiss myself. Let me look around. Be goofy. Okay. here we got more powder. This is powdering. I like to powder with stuff I can eat too, because at the end of the night I just lick my own face. It's funny. Okay, so now I'm contouring, and you can contour with me. I'm going on tour. Contour. The word contour comes from an ancient myth about centaurs, because centaurs were the best at contouring. Centaur, contour, contour. We can fool people. We can make them think our face has features that it does not. Makeup is a good deceitful trick, people. So I'm blushing my ear, blushing my neck, blushing more of my neck. I like blushing. Oh, I'm blushing my neck, but I like blushing my neck right after I shaved my face, because the blush sticks really well. You know. Okay, so now I have pink. Yeah, tonight I went with pink. Normally I go with clear. I like the invisible cloak effect on my face, so when you look at me, I'm not there. That's probably my favorite shade. Okay, so now I have some cheese. Oh no, what is that? Brown chocolate powder. I'm doing more on my cheeks. There's a lot of stuff you do to your cheeks. Sometimes I'll just draw targets on my cheeks, and then people punch me and knock me out.
Shut up!
Now there's something for my mustache. This is mustache wax. This is good because it doesn't irritate the skin. Okay, so now we're back up to the eyeballs, which I thought we were done with. I hate this, but we're doing a little white spot on the inside of our eyelid ball, under our eyebrows. We can't leave it alone. I think we're highlighting. We're doing a highlighting. I guess this is what you would call in a play. This is a character foil. The highlighting makes the eyebrow look better, like a character foil. Okay, so now we're doing. Now this is what I like to do with my. I like to do my lip with lip gloss. This lip gloss. This is the Kylie lip kit, and is only available in Ukraine. And I flew there once to get it, and so I'm using it. It's the shade. It's actually called Rotten Cherry. It's my favorite shade. And this is something else. Okay, so this is mascara. It looks like I'm digging into my eyeballs, which I kind of am, but you have to do this in order to get a good effect on the mascara. I love mascara personally because I feel like it's fun to play with the little tool, because it's like you can you can mess around with it a little bit. And then I'm doing my bottom mascara, which again I don't enjoy because my eyeballs just I'm just spraying my face now. This is a great way to cool off, because makeup can get you really, really hot. Okay, see, it's so hot. And I'm done. And I'm in slow-mo now. So thank you guys for watching my makeup tutorial. Subscribe for videos every Sens Day, Fruze Day, and Ply Day. And I just had a stroke. No, I didn't have a stroke, guys. Make sure you subscribe to my channel for more makeup videos. I'm beautiful. This is my smile. That's my dog. Okay, that's it. Thank you guys. Bye.